So now we come to the last movement of the first Bottesini concerto. This is probably one of the most difficult movements, maybe the most difficult movement of any bass concerto ever. Now I'm going to play most of it in a slower tempo so you can actually see the fingerings. If you want to see it, if you want to see me try it in the fast tempo, you can see the recording, which is also on this website. But now, so you actually get to see the bowings and fingerings, I will play most of it in a slower tempo. First of all, I will just start with making one point. The thing is, yeah, it is crazy difficult. So what do we do in a concert to make ourselves feel comfortable? We don't focus on, am I gonna hit the right note in the right time? We focus on, can I give this a really nice sound and still do phrasing and still make great music, even though it's so ridiculously difficult? We have to focus on that, on the music, on the sound, because then you will see that then you will hit more notes immediately, and also it will sound fantastic, and then if you miss a few notes, nobody will care if the rest sounded incredible. So that's the main point here. Don't just be like, oh, hopefully we're gonna hit the notes. No, go out there and start, especially with a big sound. What a nice contact. So play this slow for you once. So some of you may ask themselves, why do I do this bowing? It's written, well, in a slow tempo, that bowing works, but if you go fast, then it kind of sounds like you're trying to play, but somehow you're just not in time. So it always didn't make sense for me. In this fast tempo, I was playing like that and it always sounded kind of wrong. So I thought, okay, either I will just play 8 notes and not care about the 16th, or I do a different bowing and that one you actually get the rhythm. So that's why I do this bowing. So you actually get the rhythm that's written there, because it's written there for a reason. He didn't want everything just 8 notes. No, he wanted to do something different there. So that's why I use a different bowing. Now we come to this. So here, what can we do to increase the articulation, increase the amount of notes you can actually hear? It's one very important thing for the bow strokes. You think no movement, it's at one place, the new place. It's kind of like I will demonstrate it like this. You see, 4 moves, then you have 2 16ths which are kind of here. Then you have 2 16ths which are kind of here. Movement stays at one place. Movement stays at one place. Movement stays at one place. It's this separation that the 2 separated notes, they're not. Because it will just be, oh my god, so much stress, and it will not sound better. And it's impossible to do in a concert. So movement, one place, movement, one place. Same here. One place, movement, one place, movement, one place, movement, one place, movement. And then you have a way bigger accuracy in the sound there. Now I'll use this fingering the thumb. We go on. Play it slow again so you can see the fingerings. Going on the second string here, because then if you're here, it goes so fast later. If you're here, you have no stress going here. But if you go this late and keep going up there, it's way more stressful. So at least here, for a moment, you don't have the stress of moving around. Make sure here, not too much bow note. That's the kind of bow stroke we want. That's what's going to sound in the hole. Not. That's just like somebody who's trying to talk but has absolutely no voice anymore. And that's not what we want. We have the alt. This one again. Now, play slow again.